Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke with Jeff, who thought you guys would want to see this video. So today I'm going to give you a few tips that you guys can start applying right away that's going to help you get more organic leads. Now it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website, so it is very important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those leads. So we are on your website, as you can see. Looks like you have separate pages for all of your services, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. Hopefully each of those pages have their own content, unique content and keywords. So we have a little bit of content here. A little bit of content, but no keywords. Looks like you guys have a huge service area. So if you don't already have the pages, you're definitely going to want to have separate service area pages for all the cities that you service in each county. Any cities that have search volume, at least doing the major cities with good search volume in each of those counties. That's what's going to help you to be found organically in those areas. Without doing that, it's going to be very hard to be found when people in these areas are searching for you or for your services. Now, Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It's all based on content. Content is key, and you're going to need a lot of it. Google needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, focused around those local buyer intent keywords. Now, if your competitors have more content, then you're going to need even more than them. Whatever your competitors are doing, you're going to need to do better. Now, those local buyer intent keywords, those are the keywords people are actively searching on Google for these services that you're offering. And they're going to have a location attached to it. Your service area pages, if you build those, they should be like mini home pages, but each needs to have their own unique content and keywords. Google does not like duplicated content, and it's not going to index you, so it would be a moot point to build pages that can't be indexed. So Google has robots that go and index all these pages, pulling your content and keywords so they can rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. Now, Alpine organically is your top competitor for water damage in your town. They don't have a fabulous website. They do have separate pages for each of their services. But just like you, they don't seem to have service area pages. They're not going after local keywords. They do have content. Yeah, they have content. Probably not enough content as far as Google is concerned. But no local buyer intent keywords. In order to beat these guys, you will have to have more content, better content, and focus on those local buyer intent keywords, and then support your website with SEO. Now, if we look here, You have a score of a 3.9 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google doesn't really trust your website, and that is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. Um, Not all of these are created equal, so you do need to make sure you're getting authoritative ones, which means it's directly related to your industry and your services. And you need to make sure they're do follows. That way they share their power and help you to rank. Now, Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so everything else is considered spam. Here, if we look, you have 27 do follows. So that means out of all of these links, only 27 of them are remotely helping you. You have been indexed for over 134 keywords, but you're only getting 3 people to your website on average per month. So you're missing out on tons of customers and tons of traffic by not being properly optimized. If we look at your keywords here, Google has 10 spots per page, so you have 2 that are on the first page. These are statewide, so those aren't too bad. Most of your other keywords are all from your blogs, and these are all national keywords. None of these are really going to be relevant in converting into customers. Blogs can be great when done correctly, but your focus on ranking should not be the blogs. It should be your local buyer intent keywords so that you can convert them into customers. Looking at your competitor, they have a score of 18. They've got over 11,000 backlinks, which is overkill because they only have 420 referring domains. So they've got over 10,000 spammy backlinks. Now, only 337 are do follow. So out of all of these, only 337 matter. So you need to beat their 337 in quantity and quality. They've been indexed for over 1,100 keywords, and they're getting over 450 people to their website. But just like you, almost all of those keywords are blog related or national. So these are false metrics. I would venture to bet they're getting very few actual traffic that are converting into customers. And the next part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, which you are for Smithfield. I don't know about your other service areas. So if you're not, you want to be, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not here in those areas, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. In order to be here, the most important factor are citations. That's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, etc. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.